Foxton. Perfect run. No problems. Nobody side surfed. Nobody got rolled. Nobody was pinned mid-river.
Here I come, here I come.
Nobody swam.
Stuck.
And nobody pinned their boat. It was just a perfect, non-problematic run for Bailey Fest. Just a textbook.
You sit on a throne of lies.
It's a bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off for him.
Yeah, buddy. Alrighty. Hey, you didn't do what I did. You win. I couldn't see the ripple. I was too far right. I suck.
Guess what?
What is it?
You suck!
Go right. It's a little something. Yeah. Jess is gonna flip here.
That's fine. I get that, but you're wrong and I hate you.
Go right! Yeah! Hey Jess, come to this side. This side's a little bit easier. Far left, far left. Square up, square up. There you go. Send the tits! I got lasers in my tits!
What did he say?
coming. Hey Jess, this is the auto booth. We're going left, and you just go just to the left of this big ass rock, and it'll shoot you over another rock. Left of center, watch for the big rock in the middle. Nice little booth there, like it, like it. You could probably booth the top side.
One rolls fast stairs, a motor and pairs, rolls over your neighbor's dog. What's great for a snack and fits on your back? It's long, long, long. It's long, long. It's big, it's heavy, it's wood. It's long, long. It's better than that, it's good.
Yep, that's exactly what I wanted to do, not. Ow. Oh shit, I'm still coming.
That's what she said.
Ooh. I'll go left. Go left. Managed to hit the FU rock anyway. I managed to hit the FU rock anyway. Good job.
You guys suck.
There's a lot of that in the rest of what we do. Because we had a good day, we've taken one down. Sing a good song and we turn it around.
Stop it! I'm sorry? Stop it!
Go right.
Hey, hard, paddle.
You're good. You're good. Good job, Jess. Good covering.
You have brain damage?
Hey, good save, Jessica. Here I come, here I come. Damn it. Keep leading and scooch! Girl power!
Language.
Good shit, Noel.
Gosh sake, watch your language.
Well, she's dead. Okay, let's get my hook.
Mike, paddle, Michael. Is that stuck? You okay?
Did we get that on camera?
How are you not dead?
I have no idea.
Coming behind you. Far left line's a better line. Just let it, try to flip it and let it float this last raft. We got a big eddy afterwards.
I have a really bad feeling about this.
Happy Beach here, buddy. Come on.
You got a rock right behind you, Noel. check it out. Tethered, tied off, Mike zip-lined down to the boat, got it unpinned. We're now going across river to get this bitch out the water. Mike is kind of a superhero.
Oh, hey, what's up? I'm a superhero.
Whee! God dang, that's fun. Clean as a whistle. Right? It's because you're smoother than expected. Put that on a t-shirt.
I think you suck.
Nobody saw nothing.
Did you see anything? No, sir. I didn't see you playing with your dolls again. Good!
Yeah, well, it's funny because I'm like trying to brace and my hips didn't move. I'm like, okay, I guess not. So. Woo! Woo! I'm the best there is. Woo! Just like my mommy taught me. Yep, far left is the takeout.